Hello, hi. I'm Suresh. Welcome to the Shift Leader product presentation. Shift Leader product is from the parent company of Shift Process Private Limited. So you are in the dashboard on these which you are seeing on the screen. So in the dashboard you can able to see the what is the total number of leads and the number of users and region wise what is the count that you can see, and below that you can see the assigned follow-up list. The leads which are assigned from one user to another user, that will be listed over here, and till you are making the updations, no, it will be there in the screen. It will be on the dashboard as well. It will be showing in the today's follow-up screen. On the below you can see the graphical presentation of the outcome, business segment wise, and what is a bar chart and pie charts of the regions, as well the lead status and what is the total follow-ups of the users. I'm moving on to the next menu, that is today's follow-up. In this today follow-up you can see the assigned follow-up list and what is the today's follow-up list, and in the today's follow-up I can able to see the total number is 3, and to below that what are the tomorrow's follow-up list. And today's follow-up list I can just clicking the row, it will take it to the follow-up page, and which you are seeing on the green color, it is mentioned that it has been important one, that is why it is showing in the green. So now I am clicking the logic. Once I am clicking, it is taking to the follow page. On the right side you can see the lead contact details on the right side. On the left side you can see the what are the updates I am going to make it, that can be seen on the left side. So I can select the what is the call type. It's a general meeting. These are all based on the customer preference. They can make their call type or action done and lead status, lead stage according to their preference and their business segment. They can manage with their terms. So message, according to the call type is the main category, means then what are the subcategory under each call type. So message, it's a LinkedIn or Skype or SMS voice message, like that I can making the follow, and the lead status I can able to select it whether it is a completed or a follow one. And the note we have given is next action date will not be visible to not to follow on completed conditions. That means if I don't want to follow that lead again, then I can select the lead status as not to follow or completed, then it will not come into the next follow action. So it will not ask for the next action date. And the lead stage also, stage wise I can manage this one, and which you can see it in the report also. So what is the current status? If it is on the quotation, I am mentioning it as a quotation, and what are the remarks, no, I can able to mark it up. So I am mentioning it as a to be followed by tomorrow, and next action date I am giving it. Also you can able to see the followed on. Why we have given this option means sometimes no, even the pre-dated follow-ups I wanted to update, that then you can select this date, then you can update this. Also given you can have able to add multiple images or PDF or whatever the documents you can able to add. This feature will be helpful to the sales and support people who are outside. Even they are updating their any documents, if they wanted to add it over here, that they can able to do it. So highlight follow this, if I'm checking this one, it will be showing it in the green. In the calendar view, it will be showing it as a green dot. Key follow up, if I'm checking in the reports, I can able to see it as a star marked. So once I have updated this one, it will be removed from the today's follow up list. Same way, if I'm selecting another follow up, on the below you can able to see the previous follow up list. That is a previous follow up history, we can able to see it. So whoever it may be, the new executive or support executive, whoever it may be, by reading the previous history, they can able to take the next action what they can take. And adding the new leads, we can add it over here. So star marked means it's all mandatory. Even bulk upload option also available, so they can download the template and what are the mandatory columns they can update it, and just they can upload the file for the bulk uploads. So assign follow-up section, which would be useful to assign particular suppose one executive is meeting one client and they are asking their senior people to meet the client. Then that executive, you can select the customer name and then you can assign the task by mentioning the remarks. You can assign to the particular lead to the another user, so that it will be visible to the another user in their dashboard. When any assigning the lead, who is assigning and who is receiving, both will be getting the notification through mail. If the receiver is making the updations, the sender also will be getting the notifications after any updations done. So segment wise we can select, and the total leads also we can assign to the another user. Even from one user is following with some for example 500 leads, then total 500 leads will be can be transferred to the another user. This will be helpful if any new executives are joining and existing executives are leaving. So those leads will be transferred to the other persons very easily. Even suppose one executive or one support guy, he will be on leave for next month. So the total follow-up can be transferred to the another user. So in this way the assigning follow-up will be operated over here. Now you can see the calendar view. Even from the calendar view also you can able to get into the follow-up page. So by clicking this, the follow-up page will be opened to make the updations. So the key point is, wherever except of view reports from anywhere, you can able to clicking the lead, the follow page will get opened. So now I will show you the few reports. Even it's all customizable leads. So business segment wise you can select, lead type wise, even multiple options also you can select like this. And below what you are seeing, the even it can be exported as a PDF or Excel. Even if you don't want the particular unwanted columns, you can hide that one. So suppose you don't want the mail ID or phone number, address, order value, so remaining only this one you wanted means only this can be exported as a PDF or Excel. So this self customizable reports available. Even same for the follow-up reports. Based on the call type you can select it. Based on the action done, you can only intro mail who are all we have sent it, like that. So multiple options wise, even lead status wise, users wise, you can even today, yesterday, this week, this month. So whichever the way you wanted, it will be available. So even the reports can be based on the previous follow-up as well future follow-up. This star marked are important follow-up we have made on the particular dates, which you are seeing the like the cloud symbol. This is no, if any images or documents has been added, that can be fetched over here even through the reports. This tick mark, it's called for the, if it is an assigned follow-up has been updated, then you will get the tick mark. If not, means it won't. Same way assigned report, even a starred key follow-up report, which are the star marked between dates, the important calls what we have made, that can be fetched over here. Even the calendar report also available, like user wise, previous and future. From current to previous, which are all the followed report, can be seen like this. If it is a future report, from today now onwards to future, which are the follow. So the green marked all important one. Even you can get the number of times followed report also. So more than 5 times, 2 times, 3 times, 8 times and more, like that. No, with a segment wise you can get the report also. And add and manage the users. For the users, you can give the permissions. According to the permissions, they will they can able to view the reports or making the entries. That is available. Even in the settings, all self customizable according to the customer preference. Based on their industry terms, they can use the lead types or stage, status, even lead source, business segment, action and call type, etc. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please reach us. Thank you so much. Bye bye.